Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Video ini dibuat untuk memenuhi tugas mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris untuk guru SD. Hello everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ima Nur Hanifah. My friend call me Ima. Pada mata kuliah ini membahas tentang yang pertama yaitu descriptive text, yang kedua procedural text, yang ketiga recount text, yang keempat persuasive text. Topic 1 descriptive text. Topic 1 discuss self-introduction and telling stories about family, as well as learning about descriptive text, namely describing other people, including their family and their habits, using the current sentence structure.
The description text that I made was to describe information about my colleague friend Indah Anggraini. The important points that I mentioned in the descriptive text include telling about Indah Anggraini and her hobby, but also telling about Indah Anggraini family, such as Indah Anggraini father, mother, brother, and sister, all of which are discussed in detail in the descriptive text. It is important to discuss this point is the text so that reader can understand information in the form of a description of Indah Anggraini personal identity and Indah Anggraini family well. Next, impacts. The impact is that the descriptive text can tell of describe Indah Anggraini from the author perspective so that reader can feel, see, and hear the personal story of Indah Anggraini and her family, which is present in detail. Next, improvement. In my opinion, the descriptive text that I have composed still has many shortcomings, so it is important for me continue learning to learn new vocabulary, compose language or sentence carefully when composing descriptive text or when including myself.
Topic 2 procedure text. Topic 2 discuss work and hobbies. This topic also discuss composing text procedure correctly. Write a procedure text about hobbies according to the procedure text structure consisting of title, equipment, step.
The procedure text I wrote about my hobby, namely swimming. I explained the tools and equipment needed for swimming, such as swimsuit and swim goggles. Then explain the swimming steps, such as starting to warm up, taking a breath, body position, and leg and arm movement while swimming. These points are very important to discuss in the text explain my hobby, namely how to swim properly, start from the tools and equipment prepare and the swimming step. Next, impact. The resulting impact is that reader can understand how to swim according to the instruction so they can swim well. Next, improvement. I need to explain in more detail about the tools and equipment used for swimming, including how to use it as the benefits if the tool is used for swimming. Apart from that, I also need to explain things that must be avoided when swimming to maintain body safety when swimming.
Topic 3. Recount text. Topic 3. Discuss recount text. Recount text structure and how to use the simple past tense to compose recount text. Apart from that, this topic also discusses the problem of bullying and the danger it causes, as well as studying the trend bystander and upstander.
I wrote a recount text about my personal experience when I was at SMK 3 Jepara. I wrote about my personal experience when I first entered school, meeting and getting to know new friends. Student orientation activities carried out at school, starting from entering class to going around the school. This is very important to discuss in the text because I want to tell my personal experience, retell event or experience from my past, and provide information about my experience when I first entered school at a vocational high school during the student orientation period. Next, impact. The expect impact is that reader can find out about my past story about the first time I entered school during student orientation. Reader and find out my feeling at activity during student orientation. Next, improvement. To improve the quality of writing recount text, I need to improve my ability to read text or sentence in English by paying attention to the use of correct grammar, including subject, verb, agreement, appropriate verb tense, and correct pronoun. Apart from that, I also practice reading English so that my pronunciation becomes better.
Topic 4. Persuasive text. Topic 4. Discuss the environment, namely how to protect and care for the surrounding environment and human behavior that makes the environment. On this topic, you are invited to compose a persuasive text with an environmental. Then, persuasive texts are arranged based on the rules of persuasive text structure. So, I create a persuasive text with the theme of saving water.
In the text I wrote, I discuss the importance of conserving water for daily living needs. By saving on a daily basis, you can maintain a balanced amount of water, maintain the water ecosystem, and protect and preserve the environment. This is very important to discuss because inviting other people to save water in their daily life will have a positive impact on the sustainability of life in the future. Next, impact. I want readers to be able to take part in effort to save the environment so that the environment remains maintained and beautiful. By throwing rubbish in its place, recording water use, keeping the environment clean, not throwing factory waste in river, reforestation, and carrying out other positive activities aimed at protecting and caring for the environment so as not to pollutes clean water and saving water in everyday life. Next, improvement. In writing persuasive text, I need to improve my writing skill, such as strengthening facts and opinion related to them, paying attention to the structure of linguistic rules of persuasive text, so that readers are able to understand my persuasive text and are motivated to follow the activities of my persuasive text.
Oke, thank you. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.